Coconuts may be a lifesaver in this castaway situation, but they're also killers. People die every year from coconuts falling on their heads, and an average sized nut weighing 2 pounds can hit the ground with a force of 1 metric ton.
These are the ones I'm after. It's these green ones that are the younger coconuts, and they contain much more water than the older ones that are lying around on the beach, the brown ones. Also, these green ones are much more nutrient rich. But the way I'm going to get it off is just to keep twisting them. And they should go any minute. Whoa! Here she comes. And there she goes.